This video will show you how to replace the secondary vent stop on a builder's or premium vinyl patio door. First, locate the secondary vent stop on the lower end of the operating panel. Remove the two screws holding the vent stop in place and remove the old stop. Now, install the new vent stop in the same location. Finally, move the panel to the stop point and test the stop for proper engagement. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.